Today's project, figure out why this bitch is misfiring. I know I said I didn't want to drive it. I still don't, but I at least want it to run halfway decent. I need a fucking, you probably can't even tell, I need a whole new windshield. She's a little destroyed now. It's a little bit. So yeah, she ain't gonna be running for a while, because I gotta buy a new windshield, I gotta buy a new battery, it needs new brakes and fucking everything, it needs a new tune-up, probably new spark plugs, all that. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Number one, yeah, fucking fucked. Oh shit. Number two, more fucked. Bruh. What the fuck? Well then. See, you can see the spark plug in that one. You can kind of see it in this one. But where the fuck is it in this one? And that one you can't see shit in either.